review for what we did last time. Let's go and right now to go over the problems at the end of chapter 8, and solving problems will clarify a lot of questions, and I'm sure that I'm expecting some questions from you. So if you go to page 329, please, the problems at the end of chapter 8. Chapter 8, please. Say that which of the following would be considered a non-building structure? Number 1, a storage cabinet supported by a building. No, we said that if you have a building and I have a cabinet, a file cabinet or a storage cabinet here. This storage cabinet has the drawers, it has, I store some information or store some material. This cabinet here, cabinet, is inside the building. So do you consider, no, this is a non-structural component. We covered this in chapter, on the previous chapter, chapter 7. Do you see that? Okay, the second one, a transformer constructed of high deformability materials. Okay. A transformer constructed of high deformability materials. And you may say, wait a second, this is item number 2, I never heard about it. Okay, you can skip it. Okay, you can skip it. First of all, number 1 is not a non-building structure. So the answer, all of the above, D, is out. This is out because not all of them, all of the above. And answer 1 also is wrong, so answer A is gone. Are you following me? I need the process of elimination. Maybe he will give you another, but here I'm putting, okay, a process of elimination. You might see something like this on the exam. The thing that I am sure about it, a storage cabinets, okay, supported by a building, for sure, is not a non-building structure. Why? Let me just take you back. Can I take you back to chapter 7? Can you go to page 286? Can you go to page 286, please? Under architecture components, under cabinets, under cabinets. Did you see under cabinets over there? So cabinets are there on page 286. Did you see it? Here it is. Cabinets, storage cabinets. So it is a non-structural component. We know that. Okay. So I eliminated 2 answers. So number 2, oh my God, it's a transformer constructed of high deformability materials. I never heard this term. I will skip it, but I will show it to you in just a minute. Okay, the third one, a cast in place concrete silo having wall continuous to the foundation. Yes, do you see the silos on the freeway that carrying grains and storage? Okay, and the foundation goes all the way up to here. And even I provide a picture of it. Can you see the picture given on page? Can you go to page 325? Here it is. This is a picture on page 325, please. Did you see it? Here it is, item number 5. Cast in place concrete silos, stacks, and so on. And this is a picture, and this is an illustration I wrote for you. A silo, this big concrete, okay. This is a non-building structure, not similar to building. This is a non-building structure, non-building structure, not similar to buildings. Agree with me or disagree? If you disagree, let me know. Buildings. So, because under the title, if you flip the page, you will find on page 324, I have that. Examples of non-building structures not similar to buildings. If you go to the previous page, you will find that. So for sure, number 2, yes. Number 3, sorry. Number 3, number 2, I skipped it. Okay. So number 3 for sure. Okay. A telecommunication tower made of steel truss on top of a mountain. This, yes, it is a non-building structure. Where is that? Okay. Can you go? Okay. Can you look to page 327? Telecommunication towers. Here it is. This is the cell towers. The cell towers that you see it. So this is a non-building structure, not similar to building. So for sure, number 3 and number 4, for sure are non-building structure. And I have an answer C, number 3 and number 4. If I have no idea what is number 2 is, for sure, because I don't have an answer has 2 and 3 and 4. Maybe they will add answer number 2 and 3 and 4 as answer D. They might say that 2, okay, 3 and 4, maybe. This will make it a little bit difficult. Right now, you have to make sure that 2 is out of the discussion. And let us go and transformer constructed on high deformability materials. Let me go back and take you to chapter 7, because this item is taken from chapter 7, by the way, okay, which is can you go to page 286, the same table, architecture components, page 286. Here it is, high deformability elements and attachments. High deformability materials. So I need you to pay attention to this. This is on page 286, please, 286. And this is what they do in the exam. They pick an item from any table and they insert it over there. So I need you to know that the item that you should look for, it should be in the table. Are you following me? Okay. If you see something is not really obvious to you, or you never heard about it before, or they throw it over there, it could be one of these items. So in this case, I will go and search it on the table. But again, the process of elimination is very okay. Any question about 8.1?